Not to copy. What's up, everybody? So, coronavirus is running rampant. People are going nuts over these N95 masks. People are going nuts getting respirators, masks, night vision goggles. They're running out of toilet paper in the stores. They're running out of everything. You name it. Meat, canned goods, frozen food, anything and everything I guess people can indulge on, they are. So in the meantime, let's get to our new unboxing. Nike closed its doors, so we got two pairs of New Balance shoes here. And we're gonna unbox those right now. So let's cue the title. Welcome back, sneakerheads, nerds, and soul collectors. Today we have a special unboxing of two new edition New Balance shoes. These are currently sold out, but I guess everybody caught on. They either saw their sponsored ads on Instagram or they saw their sponsored ad on Facebook and just scooped them up. They're actually very unique, almost kind of have a vintage feel to them because of the collaboration that New Balance has done. It's not a new Nike unboxing today because of the Corona, the Wuhan, or COVID-19, what have you, that serious pandemic that's going on in the world. While you're all on self-quarantine, on lockdown, I'm going to do this unboxing for you, so let's get to it. The box is pretty big. Obviously you can see, it says it's from New Balance, so we're going to unbox these to see what we got. I've been waiting to see these things. I'm surprised they even got shipped in the middle of this crisis, whatever the hell you call it. And, you can't tell already, it might have a little something to do with baseball. Repping the Brooklyn Dodgers, Jackie Robinson, number 42, all-time favorite. But these are the new things that come out. And we got one. And we have New Balance Big League Chew shoes. That's cool. Looks like the old pinstripe Yankees jerseys. That is awesome. So let's see which ones we got here. First, we've got the Running Course. Oh, and it comes in a special box. Inside, there's also a special packaging, looking like the old school Big League Chew. That is awesome. This is the ground ball grape flavor, if you will. The packaging used to look like this. And these are our New Balance shoes. Boom. Boom. Sweet. That looks awesome. It's even got wrapping paper in here. That looks like the original Big League Chew gum. If you haven't ever seen it before, I don't even think many places sell it anymore, if at all. And they do have the bubble gum cut up into strips like this, just to grab a mouthful or grab a handful and kind of chew on it like the old tobacco or chewing tobacco when they used to play, or they used to spit while playing ball. So these are the ground ball grape, as signified in the middle. These are ultra light. I have a pair of Adidas Ultra Boosts, and these are a lot lighter than those. So I can't wait to try these on and see how comfortable they actually are. That's one pair. Let's go to our next pair. Our next pair here, also Big League Chew. And, sweet, same packaging, different color, the same type of packaging. And we've got the Swinging Sour Apple. Again, came in the Big League Chew bag. And of course, the color of the packaging matches the shoes. Swinging Sour Apple, right there, shown on the shoes. And of course, the wrapping to look like a gum. Sour Apple is probably one of my favorite flavors of whether it's a lollipop or a gum or Lifesavers. These are awesome. I can't believe these are all sold out. They're kind of off-the-wall colors, but as you can tell, they're both super lightweight. They have the insignia or the logo of the individual bag on the heel tab, which is cool. So the Sour Apple's got this angry-looking guy, and we've got the ground ball grape picture, also looking angry. I guess everybody was angry when they were making these illustrations. And on the heel, on the outsole of the shoe, on the bottom, it actually looks like you stepped on a piece of gum. Only on one shoe. Each of the right shoes look like you stepped on a piece of gum. These are super lightweight. They're flexible, they're lightweight. I mean, these things are awesome. Let's get these on feet and see how they actually feel. So, which one do you guys pick? Do you pick the purple, the sour grape, or do you pick the sour apple? I'm sorry, ground ball grape or sour apple. Personally, I'm gonna rock the green ones more than I'm gonna rock the purple ones, but either way, they're unique, they're comfortable, they're lightweight, I love it. But also, quick PSA, I've gotten a bunch of emails from different retailers saying, after you get your items shipped to you, whether it's t-shirts, apparel, shoes, watches, jewelry, if you get any of that stuff shipped to you, make sure you go out and disinfect it. Wash your hands regularly. Again, that's my quick PSA. Stay safe out there, and hopefully we'll see you back here next time for our next unboxing. And hopefully there'll be a good drop from Nike and all the stores will start opening up again. Until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends and family. If you know somebody that loves baseball, these shoes are for them. Go out, see if you can still grab them. I know these were reselling on StockX like stupid crazy. I saw one pair for $2,000 originally when I first bought these. But again, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.